Hi everyone, my name is Ramsha and today we will talk about the Anybus wireless bolt. As you can see on screen, this is how Anybus wireless bolt look like. Anybus wireless bolt is an industrial wireless communication device designed to enable Wi-Fi or Bluetooth connectivity for machines, industrial controllers and automation systems. It is built to provide seamless integration between industrial equipment and modern communication networks. The bolt is mounted directly onto machines and connects to their internal networks, allowing devices to communicate wirelessly without the need for long cables. Just imagine a manufacturing plant where an automated guided vehicle moves materials between different production stations. Traditionally, AGVs rely on wide communication, which limits their mobility and requires complex infrastructure. By installing an Anybus wireless bolt, the AGV can connect wirelessly to the factory's Wi-Fi network, enabling it to receive real-time navigation commands and transmit operational data to a central control system. This eliminates the need for physical cables, improves flexibility, and ensures continuous communication even in dynamic environments. Let's have a look to the interface of Anybus Bolt. As you can see on the screen, this is Anybus wireless bolt interface look like. On the left-hand side, you can see the configuration option, maintenance option, and troubleshooting options. How easy is to just with a few clicks, you can configure the Anybus Bolt. You can choose industrial Ethernet or active antenna. You can choose the cellular options. And same like for the maintenance, you can check the system, security, and for troubleshooting, you have option for the diagnostic as well, where you can get event logs, history monitor, and commands. If you need more details about that, please get in touch. Thank you.